everybody and welcome to my channel The Air Girl. If you're new, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button, which is right there. For people who don't know me, let me just give you a quick introduction. I'm Ritisha and I'm working with the domestic airline, and you know the situation that is going on currently in the world and how it has impacted the aviation industry. So I am like flying for 4 to 5 days a week. So you come back home and you wash yourself every time you come back after a flight. And the second thing that I do is I wash my hair every day. So if I'm flying back to back for like 4 to 5 days a week, I have to wash my hair 4 to 5 days a week. So I've got smoothing done and then I've got the coloring too. And top of that, I'm washing my hair every day, which will obviously take out the moisture of my scalp and it will automatically make my hair dry. So I wanted to try a shampoo and a conditioner which can help me with the dryness, which will give me that smoothness and which will also not harm the smoothing that I've got done. So I saw these ads of customized shampoo on a lot of social media platforms and I was completely intrigued by the idea of having your own customized shampoo. So I have tried the single kit from the brand called Freewill, which is right here. So you get a shampoo, you get a conditioner, and you get a serum. So the conditioner and the shampoo, they come in a plastic bottle like this with the pump, which makes it very travel friendly. So you can lock the pump as well, so that in case just you're traveling, it won't spill out. And you can also customize the color. Then you'll get your name right here, which makes it personalized. So the consistency of the shampoo is pretty runny. I'll just show it to you guys. You guys can see. The amount you get in the shampoo is 250 ml. So my mom has also used the shampoo and she told me that the advantage of the shampoo is you just need a really small amount of it and it just starts lathering up on your hair. So you just need a small amount and it does the work. Now from the conditioner again the same bottle, the plastic bottle with the pump, and this conditioner is quite thick. You guys can clearly see it's quite thick. So it feels like that it feels like you have a hair mask on. I love this conditioner. And now comes the serum. This is a serum. Again, the consistency is a little runny. You guys can see. You guys can clearly see. And it has a really strong smell. Unlike the shampoo and the conditioner, their smell is like quite moderate, quite mild. It won't bother you. This one has a really strong smell. I was so excited. So you have to go through a proper assessment before you get your personalized shampoo. So they will ask you about the external factors and the internal factors. They'll ask you about the external and the internal problems that you have with your hair. And after that, they'll tell you about the pH level, the hydration and the oil. According to that, they will tell you about the ingredients that you will get in your shampoo. So you will be totally aware about the ingredients that will be there in your shampoo. The ingredients that I have according to my hair problem, which is I want smoothness, I want shine, and I want anti-dryness shampoo. So the ingredients according to these problems are vitamin E, biotin, olive oil, passion fruit extract, green matcha extract, Brazilian berry extract. So these are the 6 main ingredients that will be there in my shampoo, and they will also give you the details like why are they putting these ingredients and how it will help your hair. As I have told you guys already that I've got smoothing done on my hair, so if I don't use a sulfate free shampoo, my smoothing won't last longer. So I was really happy when I saw that this brand is sulfate free and paraben free, which was an additional point. And after reading that, I didn't have any doubt that I really need to try these customized shampoo. It's been almost 10 days, almost 10 to 12 days that I've used these shampoos, and I've already told you that I'm using it like very often. So now giving my honest and final review about the product is that I love this product. I have no negative points about the product because my smoothing is still there. About the shine, about the smoothness, you guys can clearly see. I'm sure you guys can see how smooth my hair are right now, and there's no hair fall, no hair fall at all. So the results are pretty evident right in front of you, and I would highly recommend you guys to give this kit a try so that you also can fight with the problems, with your hair problems. So now let me just show you guys how easy it is to do the hair assessment. It will just take you like 1 minute or so to do the assessment, and you will have the ingredients and you will have your customized hair shampoo and conditioner and the serum with you.
So when you open the Freebill site, you have to go on the personalized hair care section. In this, they will ask you a few questions, an assessment which is divided in three parts. The first part includes that if your hair is dry, they're wavy, straight, what is the length, and everything. The second part includes they'll ask you if you have done any coloring or smoothing on your hair, and you can let them know here. According to that, they will make the shampoo, and then they'll ask you like where are you supposed to spend your next 2 months, and what shampoos you have used in past. Third would be your hair goal. What exactly do you want? Here's the list. You can choose three options. Then you are supposed to choose the color, your favorite color. Then you can give them the name that you want in the bottle. After that, here is the assessment result. It will tell you the pH, hydration, and oil, and it will list all the ingredients right here. And that is it. You have your own personalized shampoo kit.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked this idea of customized shampoo and conditioner and the serum. So if you like the video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and comment down below what was, if you have used it in the past, and what was your experience with the customized shampoo. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.